Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Play. This is George. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unhide hidden files within macOS. So prior to macOS Sierra, the only way you were able to actually show hidden files was to type in the command within terminal. So today I'll be showing you how to do it two ways. One, the quickest way, and the long old-fashioned way. So what I'll do now is open up a Finder's window and navigate to the root directory. So the quick way to do it is by entering a shortcut key, and that shortcut would be holding Command, Shift, and pressing period. As you can see, it unhidden all the files within the system in the root directory. So now you have access to do whatever it is you want to do within those hidden files. And simply to revert back, what you'll do is type in Command, Shift, and period again, and there you go. So now what I want to do is open up a terminal. And what we're going to show you is the long way, the old-fashioned way, right? So in the terminal, what I'm going to do is type in defaults space write space com.apple.finder. Yep. And I'm going to type in Apple, capital A, show, capital S, all, capital A, files, capital F, followed by a space, and I'm going to type in true, followed by a semicolon, and I'm going to type in kill all and type in finder. Then I'm going to hit enter. So what this does is actually relaunches Finder with the new changes, allowing you to see your hidden files. And if you want to revert back, simply, if you still have terminal open, what you could do is instead of typing the same command again, you could hit the up arrow key. Then what you want to do is move over to the word true, and you want to type in false. So that's going to do the exact same thing what it did earlier, which is relaunch Finder and take effect the new command. And there you have it. No hidden files. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button or subscribe for new content. If you have any questions on videos you would like to see in the future, please send an email located in the About section of the channel. This is George with TechPlay. Thanks for watching.